Okay, this is Module 12 review. Your test will be very similar to this, so make sure if you don't understand one, go to that problem and look at it. Right here I have all the formulas for you. You can also use your parallelogram notes, your triangle notes, your trapezoid notes, and your composite figure notes. So let's take a look. It says directions for numbers 1 through 9, find the area. Make sure to use the correct formula for the shape. So this first shape is a triangle. So on number 1, I'm writing A equals 1/2 base times height. Now let's plug the numbers in. A equals 1/2 times, our base is 12 1/4, and our height is 6. So on my calculator, I'm going to type 1/2 times 12 1/4 times 6. Okay, I got that. So what I need to do is I need to hit Sim for simplify and hit equals. So I get 36 3/4. So A equals 36 3/4. And then remember to label. We have inches squared. And there's my answer right there. Next shape is a parallelogram. So area equals base times height. A equals 40 times 23. So 40 times 23, I get 920. So area equals 920 feet squared. Remember, if you don't label or label correctly, you get a 1/2 point taken off. Number 3 is another triangle. So area equals 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2 times 6 times 4.5. So 1/2 times 6 times 4.5. Area equals 13.5 centimeters squared. Let's look at number 4. This is a trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 h, and then B1 plus B2. Now let's plug our numbers in. A equals 1/2 times the height is 5, and our bases are 3 and 8. So I have 1/2 times 5 in parentheses. I have 3 plus 8. So A equals 27.5 yards squared. Number 5, another trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 h, B1 plus B2. Area equals 1/2 times the height is 1.5. And then we have 5 plus 9.25. So I'm going to plug this in. I have 1/2 times 1.5 in parentheses, 5 plus 9.25. And I get kind of a weird answer. I get 10.6875 feet squared. Okay, number 6 is a parallelogram. Area equals base times height. So all I'm doing is taking 12 and 16. So area equals 12 times 16. A equals 192 inches squared. Okay, there's the first 6. Let's look at the second 6. This is a triangle. Area equals 1/2 base times height. This diagonal was thrown in here to kind of mess with you. We don't use the diagonal. Area equals 1/2 times 8.2 times 5. So 1/2 times 8.2 times 5. I get 20.5, so the area is 20.5 centimeters squared. A rectangle. Area equals length times width. Area equals 12 times 8. Area is 96 centimeters squared. Number 9, parallelogram. A equals base times height. So A equals 24 times 13. Area equals 312 inches squared. Okay, for 10 and 11, we're finding the missing base. Area equals 1/2 base times height because it's a triangle. The area is 24, so 24 equals 1/2 times 4 times the base. Half of 4 is 2. So 24 equals 2 times b. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So the base equals 12 meters. It is not squared because we're just dealing with the base. And then we have a parallelogram. Area equals base times height. The area is 50. We do not know the base, but we know the height is 10. The opposite of multiplying by 10 is dividing by 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. So the base in the parallelogram is 5 meters. Your ones on your test tomorrow will be a triangle and a parallelogram just like this one. It will just have some different numbers in it. And our last is our composite figure. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can see it. So you can either cross it this way or this way. I'm going to go with this way. Shape 1 I'm doing up here, shape 2 down here. They're both rectangles, so I know the formulas for each of them is area equals length times width. Shape 1, this is 4 right here. So area equals 4 times, and now we need to find this right here. The full thing is 10, over here is 3. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. 4 times 7 is 28. So on this one, it's 28 meters squared. Over here, I have 12 by 3. So area equals 12 times 3. So area is 36 meters squared. I'm going to take 28 plus 36. And I get 64 meters squared as my answer. If I go too fast for you at any of them at any point, just go back and re-watch the problem. Again, on your test, you'll be able to use the study guide or the review, whatever you want to call it, in all your notes. Your triangle notes, your parallelogram notes, your trapezoid notes, your composite figure notes. And you can use any homework I've given back to you.